Hi everyone, I'm Billy Foster with 1LPro.com. At 1LPro, we help small businesses compete by using technology to their advantage. If your business is still living and working out of spreadsheets, check us out. We'd love to help you move into real data management and put technology to work for your business. Today, I'm going to walk you through the basics of using the WeAds interface. To be honest, it isn't the most friendliest interface when you first open it, and that's exactly why the team asked me to put this together for this tutorial. This first video is focused on basics, creating a standard full-screen billboard. Whether you're uploading a still image or a full-screen video, the process is exactly the same. There are more advanced features that we'll cover in future videos, including combining photos and video into more dynamic layouts, but for now, let's get comfortable with the basics. Here at Gay PHX, we use these billboards as community events to promote local businesses, organizations, artists, and events. And once you know the workflow, it's pretty straightforward. To get started, you're going to prepare your artwork. Before you even log into WeAds, we need to make sure your artwork is the correct size. For an S1 billboard, as I call it, your artwork should be 800 by 1280 pixels in portrait orientation. Whether it's a single image or a video, using the correct dimensions will ensure it displays properly on the billboard. After you log into your account at WeAds, click on File, click your account name, select Upload File, browse for your image, and then confirm upload. Now that you've got the file uploaded, you need to actually release the file. So click on Release File. This is where you designate which screen it's going to be on. So keep it on screen 1 for now. And we're going to click Add Photo. Select the photo and confirm. And then confirm to release. We do that one more time. This time, we're going to switch to dual screen, different contents. Select screen 2, add a photo, select it, and confirm to release. Now, to check your work, to make sure that those actually go into rotation, you have to go back to the home screen, click on Ads, click on your account, and then you'll now see the new photos that you added, and those will be downloaded to your display and start rotating. And that's it. Those are the basics of uploading a still image or video to the WeAds platform. In future tutorials, we'll cover some more advanced features like combining photos and video and a few tips that we've learned along the way. Thanks for watching. I'm Billy Foster with 1LPro.com, helping small businesses compete through technology. We'll see you in the next tutorial.